Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy. Today we'll be showing you a letter portrait tutorial on PicsArt. First, select Pick Canvas under Drawings. With this, create a white canvas for your edit. Save the canvas. Now go to Type and type in your text. We are using the letter R, but you are free to use any letter of your preference. Choose the color black and the archival black font. Resize the text and click Done. Next, go to Draw. In the Layer section, decrease the opacity of the empty layer. And click on Add Photo to add in an image of your preference. Select Free to crop and resize your image. Now adjust your image to the letter. Make sure that the image covers the entire letter and the features of the image can be seen. In the Layer section, select Lighten and increase the opacity. Then select the text layer. When done, select the brush tool and set its size and opacity. With this, carve out the image that was cut out before. Now decrease the size of the brush and select the color white to smooth out the edges. Also, remove the excess of the letter as shown. Final steps, go to Tools and select Adjust. Alter the stats as per your liking. Similarly, go to Effects and select Vignette. Adjust the size and fade it out slightly. So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.